Hi, my name is Dylan O'Donnell from Team Celestron, and today we're going to put together the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX102AZ refractor telescope. First things first, get the tripod extended and get the accessory tray in. Take out these nuts and screw them in from the bottom. Now find the little hidden hex key here. We'll need that to loosen off the slow motion controllers that we're going to attach to the mount. Once attached, this control will give some nice fine control to the mount. Make sure the screw is up here because we're going to slide this bracket into the mount here. Now slide in the red dot finder into the bracket and make sure you remove the plastic tab to get the battery working. Now we're going to add the cradle. Line up the arrow with the alignment mark here, push in and twist. This is best done by getting a distant object like a street light in the eyepiece. Turn on the red dot finder and make adjustments with the screws until the red dot is right in the middle, just like it is in the eyepiece. Now your StarSense Explorer telescope is set up and ready to go. So download the StarSense Explorer app on your smartphone and follow the prompts on screen to align the telescope. Then you're ready to go outside and explore the night sky.